Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the cleaning and maintenance of your cutter. This video is suitable for R5 to R7. Cleaning. Dismantle all parts. Remove lid seal. Remove blade. Remove bowl. Clean motor base and control panel. Dry with a clean cloth. Only for R7, R72V and R7VV stainless steel blade assembly. Place locking bracket on motor shaft. Place blade on top. Use 2 to loosen bolt. Unscrew bolt. Remove each part. Clean and dry each part. Reverse actions to build back up. Clean the blade with the cleaning tool. 1 part to remove the blade cap. 2, 1 part to clean inside the hub. 3, 1 part to clean the openings at the top of the blade, under the cap. Dishwasher safe. Dry all parts before reassembling. Cleaning requirements may vary from country and region. Please be sure to follow your local guidelines. Using the wrong chemicals can damage your machine. Please consult your chemical supplier for best practice. Maintenance. Sharpening the blade. Place blade on a flat surface. Using a sharpening stone, brush along the blade. Follow the correct angle of the blade. Clean blade before use. Attach safety and operating instructions chart to the wall near the machine. For more information, refer to your instruction manual.